Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to move taskbar to the top on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, type here regedit, open registry editor. Firstly export your registry editor and save in any location. Select all, give any name and save. And once you need, so you can import your registry editor. Now here expand HK current user, then software, then Microsoft. Now here expand Windows, current version. Now here expand Explorer. Now here find out stuck recuts 3, so double click on it. Now double click on settings. Now here guys, move your cursor to FE column and delete this 03. So press on delete key. Now back number 01. So now we can see here FE is 01 instead of 03. Now click on OK and close registry editor. Click on start task manager, open task manager. Now here find out file explorer, right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. Now close and restart. Hopefully guys, by this setting you can move taskbar to the top on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.